Well, today I'm going to show you how to make your fills much more interesting and exciting by using a 3-against-4 polyrhythm. It creates tension, surprise, and sounds great in both rock and jazz. If you're new to this channel, I'm a former U.S. Army drummer and now play professionally in the Kansas City area. And one quick thing before we get started, if you're a drummer really trying to get your hands together, really trying to work on your stick technique, I've got something that will really help you with that. I've got 10 of my best exercises for speed, and these were the same type of exercises that helped my student Matthew Lam win a fastest hands drumming competition 2 years in a row. I'd like to send them to you absolutely free. Just follow the link in the comments below. Now let's get started. The best way to understand 3-against-4 patterns is to compare them with basic 4-4 patterns. Here are 4 measures of quarter notes in 4-4 time. Accenting on 1 sounds very common, very familiar. Notice that the quarter notes are all in groups of 4 quarter notes per measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. Most of the time when drummers play beats and fills, they're also in groups of 4 quarter notes to each measure. I'm going to play 2 measures of rock beat, followed by 2 measures of basic fills to demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1. So again, those are 4-note groupings, which is what you most commonly hear. If we take quarter notes and place them in groups of 3, that creates a 3-against-4 polyrhythm. It creates tension and is interesting because it's unexpected. Now I'm going to show you a practical way to use this in your fills. I'm going to play 2 measures of rock, followed by 2 measures of a 3-against-4 fill. And again, what I'm doing is I'm just using groups of 3 quarter notes. On the last 2 notes, before the beat comes back in, I'm going to play 2 notes on the snare, and that way the band knows where 1 is. Otherwise, it's easy for them to get lost when you're playing these type of fills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now I'm going to take that exact same fill, but instead of playing all quarter notes, I'm going to add some 16th notes just to kind of fill it up. We'll still have groupings of 3 notes, so it's still going to sound like a 3-against-4 polyrhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. You can apply this concept many different ways. I'm going to play the same type of fill, but this time I'm going to play 2 measures of jazz followed by 2 measures of jazz fill. And instead of using those 16th notes to fill it up, I'm going to use triplets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. I'll show you what it sounds like a little faster. The best way to learn this concept is to first practice the fills that I just showed you. Then it's good to try writing out some of your own. When you get really good at this, you won't have to think about it anymore. You'll just hear it and it'll automatically come out in your playing. And again, as I mentioned earlier, if you're really wanting to get your hands together, download my 10 best speed exercises in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I have another video on odd time signatures that I know will also really help you. Please watch that next, and we'll see you next time.